Good morning, South Houston Intermediate. Today is February the 26th, and it is Friday. Our first announcement is about Miss Rosales. She was awarded the district winner for ESL Secondary Teacher of the Year. Miss Rosales is going to proceed to the next round for her Region Secondary ESL Teacher of the Year. So if you see Miss Rosales in the hallways, everybody wish her good luck and tell her congratulations for winning ESL Secondary Teacher of the Year. Eighth graders, if you applied to early college or CTHS, acceptance letters will be emailed to you today. So make sure you're checking your email and see Miss Johns if you need any help. Boys soccer, we're going to start tryouts the week after spring break. So make sure you have your physical. All right, you have to have a physical to play soccer, and you also have to have at least a 70 or higher in all of your classes. If you have any questions or if you're interested in playing soccer, see Coach Henry or Coach Sleva. If any seventh grader would like to try to get into advanced art for high school credit, please contact Miss Hubbard. She's in Portable 3, and that's by Friday, March 5th. So next Friday, you have to get in contact with Miss Hubbard if you want to be in advanced art. You can come paint, sculpt, draw, and more while getting a credit for high school. That is all we have for today. Have a great weekend, and we will see you on Monday.